Hello guys, Val Austria here. I'll be sharing with you my 3 commitments for the last 90 days of 2024. Number 1 is I commit to my personal growth. So to study by reading books 30 minutes to 1 hour per day and to apply aking mga natutunan. Number 2 is to grow my business. So by growing my business, I will go back sa mga basics. Mga basics na gagawin. Ano yung mga yon? So prospecting, inviting, presenting, closing, and follow up. So babalik sa basic kasi yung basic, yung foundation para lumaki, you have to go back to basic. Baka kasi para hindi makalimutan. And number 3 is to be grateful every waking hour of my life. To stop complaining but start thanking. I-apply ko yung natutunan ko kay Ken Honda. Yung natutunan din niya sa mentor niya to apply a arigato marathon. Ibig sabihin parang you say thank you 3,000 times per day. So pero i-edit ko lang, thank you blank Lord, parang thank you or thank you Lord, or say thank you 3,000 times. That's arigato marathon. And pag ginagawa mo yun, sabi niya is miracles will happen to you if you say thank you 3,000 per day. So that's it guys. Ikaw, ano yung commitment mo sa sarili mo para bago matapos ang taon na to, para magbago ang buhay mo? Share mo naman.